What do you think is the most graceful animal on our planet? Is it a bird that can seemingly defy gravity with its long, elegant neck, or a feline creature that moves with unmatched stealth and poise? Or maybe it's something else entirely. For many, the most graceful animals are deer. There's just something about these creatures that makes them seem so poised, so elegant, and at times almost mystical. But there's more to these animals than meets the eye. So today we're going to be taking a closer look at these creatures to uncover some of their most interesting characteristics, from their unique eyes to their ability to literally split their hooves. Here are 10 facts that will make you look at deer in a whole new way. Number 10. They have rectangular pupils. Have you ever noticed the shape of a deer's eyes? Unlike most animals, which have round pupils, deer have rectangular ones. This is actually an adaptation that allows them to see predators both above and below them much more easily. Round pupils are great for seeing predators off to the side, but rectangular pupils are better for detecting threats that are either higher or lower than you are. This is especially important for deer because they are prey animals who need to be constantly on the lookout for danger. No, 9, they can split their hooves. If you've ever seen a deer from directly above or below, you may have noticed that they seem to be cloven-hoofed animals. That is, their hooves are split into 2 toes. But this is actually an illusion. When looking down at a deer's foot, it can appear as if the animal has 2 separate toes, but when looking at the foot from the side, it becomes clear that it is actually just 1 toe that has been split. So why would evolution split a deer's single toe into 2? The answer is balance. By splitting their toes, deer are able to distribute their weight more evenly, making them more stable on uneven terrain. They also have more flexibility in their feet, which helps them navigate through the underbrush when running from predators or searching for food. Number 8, they have over 40 species. As of 2023, there are officially 42 recognized species of deer around the world. This makes them one of the most diverse groups of The largest living species of deer is the moose, which can reach heights of up to 7 feet at the shoulder and weigh in at over 1,500 pounds. The smallest species is the tufted deer, which only stands about 2 feet tall and weighs less than 30 pounds. No, 7. They are extremely fast. When you picture a deer, you may imagine a slow-moving, somewhat clumsy creature that is more interested in eating than anything else. But don't be fooled by their seemingly innocent nature. Deer are capable of moving at incredible speeds. In fact, white-tailed deer can reach top speeds of up to 40 miles per hour, while mule deer can move at nearly 60 miles per hour. This is important for these animals since they are constantly being stalked by predators such as wolves, bears, and cougars. Being able to run fast allows them to escape these predators and live another day. Number 6, they are not colorblind. Contrary to popular belief, deer can actually see colors, just not as many as humans can. They have dichromatic vision, which means they can see 2 primary colors, usually blue and yellow. This is similar to how most dogs see the world. So if you ever want to attract a deer, try putting out some brightly colored food, such as a blue apple or a yellow banana. No. 5. They can jump over 8 feet high. Another reason that deer are so graceful is because of their amazing jumping ability. These animals can leap over obstacles that are more than 8 feet tall. and they can also clear 20-foot gaps in a single jump. This is thanks to their powerful hind legs and their flexible spine. Number 4, they have a natural radar. In addition to their excellent jumping and running abilities, deer also have a natural radar that helps them avoid obstacles while moving at high speeds. They can use their ears to steer themselves in the right direction, even if they can't see very well. This is likely an adaptation that has helped them survive in areas where there is a lot of tall grass or dense underbrush. No. 3. Their antlers are not just for show. Male deer, also known as bucks, grow antlers each year that they shed and regrow every 2 to 3 years. But what are these structures for? At first glance, it might seem like antlers are just another example of male deer showing off to potential mates. And while this is certainly part of it, antlers serve another important function. They are weapons that bucks use when fighting other males for dominance during mating season. The larger the antlers, the more successful the buck is likely to be in fights with other males. No! 2, they have a special antler velvet. When male deer are growing their antlers, they are covered in a special type of skin known as velvet. This velvet contains blood vessels and nerves that help the antlers grow quickly and evenly. Once the antlers are fully grown, the deer will rub them against trees and rocks to remove the velvet. This is painful for the deer, but it is necessary in order for the antlers to harden and become stronger. No. 1, they are one of the most hunted animals in the world. Sadly, deer are one of the most hunted animals in the world. Every year, millions of deer are killed by humans for their meat, their hide, and for sport. This has led to a decline in deer populations in some areas, and some species of deer are now endangered. It is important to remember that deer are living beings who feel pain and fear just like any other animal. So next time you see a deer, take a moment to appreciate its beauty and remember that it is a wild animal who deserves our respect.